Preimplantation genetic diagnosis. Early form of prenatal diagnosis in which embryos created in vitro are analyzed for defined genetic defects. Only those free of defects are replaced into the uterus. Indications include carriers of monogenic diseases, or chromosomal structural aberrations such as translocations, to detect genetic mutations that predispose to disease, to detect an unbalanced chromosomal translocation in the embryo, human leukocyte antigen matching of embryos to an existing child of same patients. The rate of risk of transmission 50% for carriers of autosomal dominant disorders like Marfan syndrome, and 25% for the carriers of autosomal recessive disorders like cystic fibrosis, 25% half of the male embryos for female carriers of X-linked diseases like hemophilia A, and IVF low genetic risk but embryo are screened for abnormal aneuploidies to enhance their chance of ongoing pregnancy, and pre-implantation genetic diagnosis for aneuploidy screening when a low IVF success rate might be attributable to chromosomal aneuploidies in the embryos. Disadvantages: decreased postmenopausal embryo survival, and it may include some false positive or false negative results. Preimplantation genetic diagnosis is performed on polar bodies, blastomeres, and trophoectoderm removed from the embryos. Polar bodies removed from the oocytes before fertilization. Preconception diagnosis, and blastomeres and trophoectoderm removed from embryos before transfer. Procedure: an opening is created in the zona pellucida using laser or acid or thioderm solution. The polar body or blastomeres is extracted for diagnosis. If polar body results are inconclusive, then embryo biopsies are taken. Cleavage stage biopsy. To detect abnormalities in embryo, 1 or 2 nucleated cells are removed typically on the 3rd day after fertilization, the 6 to 8 cell stage before compaction when the blastomere becomes tightly adherent. After biopsy, the embryo can be placed in the extended culture to develop to the blastocyst stage or cryopreservation until the results of genetic analysis can be completed. Procedure: hole in the zona pellucida is made with laser, removal of first blastomere from the embryo, and reposition of the blastomere in the medium, removal of the second blastomere. Next, the third thing is blastocyst biopsy. Blastocysts have more cells for genetic analysis and are less likely to be injured by biopsy. Trophectoderm biopsy. Biopsy of the trophectoderm at the blastocyst stage has been taken. Procedure: trophectoderm is distinct from the embryonic inner cell mass and gives rise to trophoblastic cells of future placenta. Tested by SNP, CGH, qPCR, and FISH and NGS. SNP includes single nucleotide polymorphism. CGH includes comparative genomic hybridization, and quantitative PCR, FISH, fluorescent in situ hybridization technique, and next generation sequencing.